The only tool ever maker needs isn't the drill, and it's not the drill bit. To start with, we're going to use this 3D printed box as a template for all the different tools we're testing. You start with this big auger bit, see what it does. Broke through it, but it actually can drill through it, but it cracks it. That's the issue with the large drill bits. I'm going to try this normal size drill bit next, see how it does. Remember to always clamp your workpiece. It still cracked it, but it did drill through, so what can you do? Now we're going to go for a nice normal 1/8 drill bit, standard solid drill bit. It goes through the 3D printed part really well. You can see it makes a pretty clean hole and it doesn't crack it. But here's the tool, the step drill bit, the number one tool every maker needs. This thing is great. You can see how it just digs through this plastic, eats it up like butter. Remember to clamp down your workpiece. And the perfect hole, no cleaning needed. It could also be used to make holes really fast. As you can see, we turn this 3D printed box into a Sharpie holder. But that's not all. It can go through metal too. And wood. The hole saw, good tool. Remember, do not use a hole saw in 3D prints and always clamp down your work. Always be careful and safe. Thank you for watching.